Analog Devices LT3966 is a flexible quad-channel boost LED driver for use in applications such as backlighting and heads-up displays. The LT3966 provides 4 independent LED drivers, each consisting of a 60-volt current mode boost converter with a 1.6 amp DMOS switch and high-side gate driver, as well as independent shutdown and standby control. The high-side driver can provide fault protection as well as PWM dimming, with an internal 13-bit PWM generator that can be programmed via I2C. The LT3966 has a built-in 11-input 8-bit ADC to monitor each channel's output voltage and current, plus the input voltage and 2 external inputs. The drivers can operate from a 3 to 60 volt supply, with an integrated 3-volt regulator to supply the internal circuitry, and all I/O pins are tolerant to 5 volts. And they're housed in a 6mm by 6mm thermally enhanced QFN package.